Do you want to learn how to lock a file or folder with a password? In this video, I'll try to help solve that problem. So first, head over to Google Drive, and inside here, you need to click on one of your files or folders that you want to share with a password. So I'm just going to select this one, and next to it, you've got these more actions, these three dots. Click it, and it's going to give you a drop down. Inside here, you need to click on Share, and you'll see these two options. Click on Share again, and in this pop-up, you need to go under the general access, select anyone with link and copy the link. Now next, click on this new, and under the Google Forms, create a blank form. Now inside the form, we're going to name this password protected. In the questions section, I'm going to type in enter the password to access. Now next to it, we've got this drop down. Click it and just select the short answer. You need to check this required. And next to it, we've got more options. You need to make sure that you select this response validation. Now select this first one and make it text. The second one is contains. We're going to write in the password in the text field. Let's say, for example, I make it protect123. And next to it, we've got this custom error text. Enter the right password. So whenever someone enters something else than the protect123, they're going to be greeted with this message, which was enter the correct password. So this is all we need to do in the questions section. Now go to settings section. Now in the settings section, we've got this presentation. Click on this and scroll down till you find this after submission. And there is confirmation message. Edit it. And in the confirmation response, we're going to write in thank you, file unlocked. Now next to it, we're going to paste that link that we got. Now save this. Now how does this work? So in incognito tab, I have opened the form again. Now when someone comes to your form like this and they try to enter something else than protect123, let's say for example, pop, submitted, it says enter the correct password. If I say protect123 and submit it, it's going to give us this thank you response with our drive link. And this is how you can lock a file and share it with a password on Google Forms. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.